Can we grow enough food without harming the planet? Farmers in India's Andhra Pradesh region may be showing us how.
We were able to achieve 25% to 30% of productivity jump.
So what do the farmers in this small community know that the rest of the world may not?
So input costs have been increasing every year. The risk of crop failure is also increasing. The soil has become worse.
Farmers face a difficult choice in a changing climate: use more chemicals or risk lower harvests.
In the conventional agriculture, you are using more synthetic chemicals.
Over time, that cycle can damage the land itself. Globally, 1/3 of soils are already degraded, costing around $400 billion in lost crops every year. But there is a traditional method that's radically different. Farmers like Burudi Kumari practice what is known as natural farming. Instead of rows of one plant, there are dozens, all supporting each other.
Natural farming is mimicking nature because the basic principle is that plants are feeding the soil. And there is no need for even 1 gram of external fertilizers.
And farming waste becomes a commodity, transformed into natural fertilizers.
This is really learning from the practices that traditional communities have been using. If it is scaled, you will have an increase in ecosystem health, the yield is higher, and the input production cost is lower. So overall, you'll have a reduction in rural poverty.
But if natural farming works this well, why aren't all farmers doing it already?
We could be producing sustainable agriculture, but as long as there is no market, there is no incentive for the farmers to produce in a sustainable fashion, right?
This natural farming initiative, supported by the Indian government, the Rainforest Alliance, the GEF, and UNEP, is not only helping farmers improve their harvests.
So through this project, we are trying to drive market forces through our certification program. Consumers can verify that the coffee or the tea that they are drinking right now is coming from a farm which is practicing sustainable agriculture, which includes not just environment but also social issues like child labor, forced labor, or minimum wages are being paid.
And that pays off. The approach is already spreading quickly. More than 3 million farmers in India have joined the program, and farmers like Burudi are now teaching others how to do it.
Initially, we started with a better deal for the farmers. Then when we moved forward, we thought it's a better deal for the consumers. Then improvements to the soil, water, they all kicked in. So now I'm not satisfied till this kind of initiative reverses climate change.